Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of noise-canceling earbuds, perfect companions for your travels and daily commutes. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a daily train rider, or just someone who craves a little peace and quiet, these little gadgets can be a game changer. So, what exactly makes noise-canceling earbuds so special? Well, they use a technology called active noise cancellation, or ANC. Tiny microphones pick up the ambient noise around you, the rumble of a plane engine, the chatter on a bus, or even the hum of your office, and then the earbuds generate a sound wave that's exactly the opposite. This cancels out the unwanted noise, creating a quieter listening environment. Now, let's talk about the key features to look for when choosing noise-canceling earbuds for travel and commute. First up, noise cancellation performance. This is the most crucial aspect. Look for earbuds that effectively block out a wide range of frequencies, from low rumbles to high-pitched noises. Read reviews and see what others are saying about the real world. Performance in different environments. Next, consider the sound quality. Just because earbuds cancel noise doesn't mean they sound good. You want a balanced sound profile with clear highs, rich mids, and a decent amount of bass. Check for reviews that mention sound quality specifically. Comfort is also a major factor. You'll likely be wearing these earbuds for extended periods, so make sure they fit comfortably in your ears. Look for different sizes of ear tips to get the best fit. Consider the design. Some earbuds have a stem that extends from the ear, while others are completely in ear. It's really a matter of personal preference. Battery life is also important. Long flights and commutes can drain your battery quickly, so look for earbuds with at least several hours of playback time on a single charge. Also, consider the charging case. It should provide multiple extra charges, extending the overall battery life. Bluetooth connectivity is a must. Make sure the earbuds use a reliable Bluetooth version for a stable connection. Also, consider the range. Can you move around a bit without the audio cutting out? Features like multi-point pairing, which allows you to connect to multiple devices simultaneously, can be really handy. Water resistance is a bonus, especially if you plan to use your earbuds while exercising or in potentially wet environments. Look for an IPX rating to determine the level of protection. Finally, think about extra features. Some earbuds offer transparency mode, which allows you to hear your surroundings without removing the earbuds. This is really useful for staying aware of announcements or conversations. Some also include touch controls for adjusting volume, skipping tracks, and answering calls. In conclusion, noise-canceling earbuds are a fantastic investment for anyone who travels or commutes regularly. By considering these key features: noise cancellation performance, sound quality, comfort, battery life, Bluetooth connectivity, water resistance, and extra features, you can find the perfect pair to create your own personal oasis of quiet wherever you are. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of noise-canceling earbuds, perfect for travel and commutes. If you're tired of noisy train rides, airplane engines, or just want some peace and quiet on your daily walk, then this review is for you. We'll explore what makes a great pair of noise-canceling earbuds, and look at the key features to consider. First up, let's talk about the magic of noise cancellation. It's all about actively reducing unwanted background noise. High-quality earbuds use microphones to listen to the ambient sounds around you. Then, they create an opposing sound wave that cancels out the noise. This technology is incredibly effective at reducing droning sounds like airplane engines or the rumble of a train, making your listening experience much more enjoyable. But what makes a good noise-canceling earbud? Consider the sound quality first. While noise cancellation is crucial, the audio itself needs to be great. Look for earbuds with balanced sound profiles or adjustable EQ settings, allowing you to customize the sound to your preference. Check the frequency range. The earbuds support wider ranges, generally provide a more detailed and immersive sound. Bass should be present but not overpowering. And the highs should be crisp without being harsh. Next, the fit and comfort matter immensely, especially for long commutes or flights. Earbuds come in various styles: in-ear, on-ear, and over-ear. In-ear earbuds are popular due to their portability, and often include different sized ear tips to ensure a snug fit. Make sure the earbuds you choose are comfortable for extended use. A poor fit can lead to discomfort, affecting the noise-canceling performance. Pay attention to the materials used and the overall design, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. Battery life is another critical factor. Look for earbuds that offer several hours of playback on a single charge. Many models also include a charging case, extending the overall battery life. For travel, the longer the battery, the better. Consider the charging time and whether the earbuds support fast charging, which can be a lifesaver when you're in a hurry. You don't want to be caught with dead earbuds mid-flight or during a long train ride. Let's think about the controls. Easy-to-use controls are a must-have for quick access to play pause, volume, and track skipping. Some earbuds offer touch controls or physical buttons. Touch controls can be sleek, but might be less accurate in wet conditions or when wearing gloves. Physical buttons, on the other hand, are tactile and reliable. Finally, think about extra features. Water resistance is a significant bonus, particularly if you plan to use your earbuds while exercising or in unpredictable weather. Some earbuds also offer features like ambient sound mode or transparency mode, letting you hear the world around you without taking off your earbuds. This feature is especially useful when crossing streets or listening for announcements at the airport. Now you should have all the information necessary to select the perfect pair of noise-canceling earbuds for you.